It's Miss Sassy Cat's story time. Mean Soup by Betsy, Everitt. It had been a bad day for Horace. He had forgotten the answer to question 3. Zelda gave him a love note, and Lulu, the show-and-tell cow, stepped on his foot. As if this wasn't enough, his mother sent Miss Pearl to pick him up from school. She swerved and screeched and nearly killed 3 poodles before they made it home. Horace felt so mean, he stepped on a flower. Urgh. His mother said, "Hello," and Horace hissed. His mother said, "How is your day?" And Horace growled. Urgh. His mother said, "Did you thank Miss Pearl?" And Horace fell on the floor. "Let's make soup," his mother said. Horace lay still. He felt mean, and he wasn't going to make soup. His mother filled a pot with water and set it on the stove. When the water got hot, she threw in some salt. Then, taking a breath, she screamed into the pot. "Ah! Your turn," she said. So Horace got on a stool and screamed too. Ah! His mother screamed louder. Ah! Horace growled and bared his teeth. The water started to boil. His mother stuck out her tongue. Horace stuck out his tongue 20 times. He banged on the pot with a spoon. He breathed his best dragon breath. Then he smiled. His mother smiled too. "What's the name of this recipe?" asked Horace. "Mean Soup," she said. And they stood together, stirring away a bad day. The end. This was Mean Soup. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. You can follow Miss Sassy Cat on Instagram and leave me a comment there what book you'd like me to read next. Most importantly, please support this author by clicking on the link in the description down below and ordering a copy of this book.